Anyone know how to spell rear?
Arrears.
So arrears has to do with mortgage loan interest. Matt had a client. They're in a lease until the end of June. They want to buy now.
June 1st.
So June 1st, okay. They're in a lease until 5/31. They're like, hey, I don't want to make rent payments and mortgage payments, so what do we do? Well, we know that they could close in May, whenever, right? Because you don't want to close. You got to have like a couple weeks. So let's say like I don't know. Say they close 5/1. The way interest works is when you close, part of your closing costs is you pay interest through that month. So if you close on 4/1, you pay all of April's interest at close. And then you've got May, you have no payment in May because interest is paid in arrears once you've closed. So your first payment is 6/1 and it's late on 6/15. So what's cool about that is even if they have this one for all of May, they don't make a May payment, they make a June payment, and the June payment pays for May's interest. So April's interest is paid at close. First payment's has to be paid without a late fee until the 15th of June. So that's the idea of paying interest in arrears. So when you have someone that is in a situation like this, they can pay this lease payment because they don't have to pay a mortgage payment. And then ideally, right, you buy the house and then the next month's payment is 0, so you can save that money. But in a situation like this, if you understand the way arrears works, you can have an intelligent conversation with your prospective buyer about a strategy of not waiting till May to look. And so if they close on 4/1, we figure a 45-day close, they could write an offer today, right? So write an offer February 14th, close at the end of March. March is 30 days, half of February, so that's 45 days. So they could write an offer right now. So write offer now, first payment, PMT, gotta be made by 6/15. And that happens a lot. Hey, I'm in a lease, I can't start looking yet. Well, when's your lease up? So your lease is up 6/1. Well, you can be writing 4 months earlier.
So I found out yesterday my loan got transferred, got sold.
Sold.
I'm charged fees if I pay after the 4th of the month.
No, you need to look at your prom note and trust deed.
Yeah. So I was like, that doesn't sound right because it was originated with Guild. 1st to 15th, no late payment. I'm charged processing fees if I paid after the 4th. And I didn't even think that was remotely legal to make your payment still within the agreed upon terms when I originated the loan, and now I'm being charged processing fees to make a payment. Online, in person, or online, over the phone with the automated system, or over the phone with the person. It's 10, 12, 15.
Dollars?
Yeah. Processing fee to make a mortgage payment. I'm like, I didn't think that was legal.
Yeah, that might be hidden somewhere in your prom note.
So I'm gonna look at everything, but yeah.
Yeah, because your conventional mortgages are all the same. Due on the 1st, late by the 15th.
Mm-hmm.
So the one thing to note is if you're paying on the 15th, that compounding interest is accruing.
Right.
Because I got a notice from one of my mortgages that if you're paying extra on your principal, you need to get it in on the 1st of the month. Otherwise, because the interest calculation's on what's owed.
Mm-hmm.
And so if you owe it for 15 more days, you're going to pay more interest, and less of that will actually go to the principal.
Right.
Because of the genius of amortization and compounding interest. But this is something cool that you guys should know about and understand. Okay,
Yeah.
so I've got basically a June 1 deal, see if I can go backwards. May, April, March, February. Yeah, so 3.5 months. So we know that this half month and this month is the close. This month's interest is already paid when you close, and so then your payment's not late until the 15th of June. Kind of what